Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Nate here, and in this video I'm going to be upgrading the RAM in my 2011 21.5-inch iMac. I'm going to be going from 8 GB of RAM all the way to 16 GB of RAM. So I've purchased two 8 GB kits, each consisting of two 4 GB modules. So I got this for about $64 on Amazon. It was quite a good deal. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install this RAM, as well as the benefits of adding additional RAM to your Mac. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and shut your iMac down. Next, you're going to want to remove the power cord from your Mac. And then you're going to want to set your Mac down on a soft surface such as a bed so you can move the stand up to the highest position. At the bottom then you'll notice 3 screws. You'll just simply unscrew these with a Phillips screwdriver so we can access the RAM modules. Once you're inside, you're going to want to pull out the 2 plastic tabs and then simply pull on each of them to remove the existing RAM. Next, we'll have the new RAM modules. Make sure when you're placing it in the iMac, the notch is facing the right-hand side. Then once again, pull out the plastic tabs and add the new RAM modules, pushing them in until you hear a click. Then just do it for the remaining 3. Then you're going to want to place the plastic tabs back in between the 2 modules on each side. Finally then, replace the cover plate by screwing back in the 3 screws. So once you've booted your Mac back up, you're going to want to head into About This Mac and check out the memory section to make sure it matches the amount of RAM that you've installed. So I've got 16 GB of memory now installed on my machine, and in each of the 4 slots here I've got a 4 GB module. So my recommendation to you guys is, if you're looking to get an Apple computer, do not get the RAM installed from Apple. They're going to charge you a ridiculous amount for it, and it's not worth it whatsoever. Also, if you're looking to buy some new RAM, I would recommend checking out Amazon.com. They've usually got the best deals from what I've seen. I will provide a link in the description to the product that I purchased for my iMac. Now, RAM is user accessible, so it's not going to void your warranty if you decide to upgrade it yourself. This is the only exception to that is with the MacBook Air. With the MacBook Air, the RAM is soldered down to the logic board, so it's pretty much impossible to replace anyway. So my other recommendation to you guys then is, if you're going to be doing some basic web browsing, using email and some other basic applications like that, you should be fine with the 4 GB installed in the baseline 2011 iMac. If you're going to be using some more intensive applications from Adobe, or let's say Logic Pro or Final Cut Pro 10, the more RAM you have the better, so I would say maybe go with 8 GB. If you're going to be using a lot of those applications that are using a lot of memory at the same time, you're probably going to want to go with 16 or 32 GB to get the best performance. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Please leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.